Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best CNC engraving machines to help you make smart choices for your engraving projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, these machines have been selected based on their ratings, reviews, price, durability, and overall performance. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so feel free to explore them further. Let's jump right in. Number 5, we have the TwoWin 6550 CNC engraving machine, which offers a great balance of power and precision for various engraving tasks. With a carving area of 65 by 50 centimeters and a laser power ranging from 20 watt to 40 watt, it's an excellent choice for those looking to work on larger projects. It features a dual motor design that makes the engraving process smoother and more accurate. The machine is easy to assemble and comes with adjustable focal length settings, allowing for optimal results on different materials. Plus, the software is simple to use and offers lifetime free upgrades. While it requires some assembly, the instructions are straightforward, and the machine can be used for a wide range of engraving tasks after it's put together. Number 4, we have the FEUNGSAKE 1010 CNC Engraving Machine, which stands out for its flexibility and versatility. This machine supports laser powers of 50 watts and 90 watts, making it suitable for engraving and cutting various materials, including wood, plastic, leather, and even stainless steel. It comes with a range of compatible software, including Laser GRBL, Lightburn, and Engraver Master, allowing you to choose the best option for your needs. With its adjustable laser power and user-friendly design, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced engravers. The robust aluminum profile ensures stability, while the high optical power ensures clean and detailed results on different surfaces. Number 3, we have the ACMER P1S Pro CNC engraving machine, a top contender for those seeking precision and high-speed performance. With an engraving size of 380 millimeters by 307 millimeters and a laser power of 6,000 milliwatts, it delivers exceptional detail and accuracy for a wide range of materials, from wood and acrylic to leather and glass. The engraving speed of 10,000 millimeters per min ensures fast work completion, making it an ideal choice for those who need efficiency. This machine supports multiple software options, including Laser GRBL and Lightburn, and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Whether you're into image carving or text engraving, this CNC machine is perfect for creative DIY projects and professional work. Number 2 is the AlgoLaser DIY Kit CNC engraving machine, a great option for users who want an offline DIY engraving solution. This machine comes with a built-in 32GB SD card and supports multiple input formats like G-code, AI, CAD, and more, making it perfect for customized projects. The engraving area is 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters, and the laser power ranges from 5 to 5.5 watts, offering high precision for intricate designs. The machine can be connected offline via Wi-Fi or through mobile and Windows devices, providing flexibility for different work environments. With CE, EAC, and RoHS certifications, you can trust the safety and quality of this engraving machine for your projects. Finally, at number 1, we have the TwoTrees TTS CNC engraving machine. A powerful and precise machine, it stands out with its advanced features and excellent performance. With a laser power of up to 10 watts and a maximum engraving speed of 30,000 millimeters per min, this machine offers exceptional results on a wide variety of materials, including wood, plastic, paper, and leather. It supports both USB and TF card controls, and the software works seamlessly on both Windows and Mac systems. The TTS model is equipped with an aluminum frame for stability, and its engraving accuracy is a remarkable 0.1 millimeters. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the TwoTrees TTS offers the precision and speed you need for all your engraving projects. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and updates.